So for the tarsal and the carpal bones, you probably know calcaneus, or at least you might remember from Unit 1, we said the heel is the calcaneal region. So this big bone is the calcaneus. This one here, it looks kind of like a big toe maybe, or like a turtle, is talus. So T for turtle, T for talus, may be helpful. I tend to skip this one and come back to it. I do this row next. 1, 2, 3. These are all cuneiform. It means shaped like a wedge or formed like a wedge, but that doesn't seem very helpful, but they are all cuneiforms. This is a right foot, so this is the middle of the body here. So a medial cuneiform, which makes this farthest out a lateral, and this is the intermediate cuneiform. Now I've just got 2 bones left, these 2. Cuneiform, cuneiform, cuneiform. Those all start with C, so I like to do this one next, which is the, what is this? The cuboid bone. And then this is like the last one. It has a really weird name, navicular. It means little ship in Latin, but that's probably not useful either. But that is the navicular. Calcaneus talus. The cuneiforms, medial, intermediate, and lateral cuneiform. Cuboid and the navicular. On the hand, you gotta just accept that this isn't gonna look like a diagram in your book when there's stuff all holding this in a certain shape. Pretty much the first thing you gotta do is just figure out a way to recognize the scaphoid bone. It's gonna be this one. I don't know how you'll do it. I tend to just look near the thumb, and then I look for the bone that looks kind of S or U-shaped or curved or something. The only other one is this one. That's like a chunky bone. Looks a lot different. So I find the scaphoid first because there's lots of mnemonic devices, but pretty much all are going to start with S. Scaphoid is first. So your mnemonics can either be Sally left the party to take Kathy home, in which you name this row, then this row, always starting at the thumb side. Or this other one, so long to Pinky, here comes the thumb, which is pretty neat. It's a counterclockwise circle. Let's try that one out. So long to Pinky, SLTP, scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, pisiform. So long to Pinky, you're at the Pinky, so that's good. This one starts with P, just like Pinky, pisiform, so that might be useful. Here comes the thumb, HCTT, hamate, capitate, and then these two even I have to always kind of think to remember. One of these is trapezium and one is trapezoid. Let's see, I tend to think about alphabet. They both start with trapez, but they're kind of in alphabetical order in that this is trapezium and this is trapezoid. So, that's it.